Welcome to the Center for Career and Personal Development. What we focus on is helping students navigate through their university experience from beginning to end. You can find us in our two spaces in the MacEwan Student Center, right next to the bookstore. We know that transition to university can be a big challenge. To help with this, we have events to get you started. We begin the school year by welcoming you with new student orientation, where you can explore campus, have fun, and meet others in your program. Next, we have the Campus Expo, where you can get a sense of all the resources and services available to you. That way, you'll know where to go when you need help. The UCalgary Strong Carnival will be an opportunity to reconnect with your orientation group the weekend after orientation and have a lot of fun. Later on, you can be an orientation leader yourself to help and show new students around. But for those looking to be involved right away, joining the First Year Council will allow you to represent your first-year peers and provide feedback on student services and programs. As you progress through your program, we provide supports that help you focus on your career and personal development. Learn about what being a leader means to you, consider attending Camp Lead, get involved as a peer helper, and record your involvement on your co-curricular tracker. We also have numerous activities and roles on and off campus to contribute to your leadership and connection to the university community. When it's time, we also have resources for all your career and job search needs. Our advisors can help you put together a resume, practice for interviews, and find out what your strengths and interests are. There will also be opportunities to chat and connect with the many employers that come to campus and discover what opportunities they have for students. We know there is a lot to manage as a student, and to help you navigate, we use life design and design thinking to help you define and explore what's meaningful to you and how you can make the most of your university experience. At its core, life design is about trying stuff, taking small but empowering steps forward to problem solve, explore ideas, and test out possibilities, and to reflect and learn from experiences. At the Life Design Hub, you can find free workshops and events being held throughout the year. And when the Hub isn't hosting an event, stop by and take a break or study. Now, of course, we can't forget the fun stuff. Throughout the school year, we host many unwind events for you to have fun and make friends, such as skating at the Olympic Oval, trivia night, an outdoor picnic, just to name a few. If you have a skill or hobby that you're passionate about, you can be a part of the community classroom to teach it to other students. And finally, at the end of the school year, we celebrate by hosting the UCalgary Strong Festival, an opportunity for the campus community to get together for a day of music, games, and a bunch of good vibes. To keep up to date with all our offerings, be sure to check Elevate, as this is where you get to book appointments, register for workshops and events, and view job opportunities. For more information, give us a follow, visit our websites, or email us anytime. We hope to see you soon.